I highly recommend Hayes Tax Relief Services. My husband had a huge tax debt that was due, and we consulted with Aisha. We contracted with her. She was able to walk us through the process as to what it would look like and what next steps would be. Well, during that time, the IRS had levied on my account, and they had taken over $16,000. My husband was on the account, but it wasn't his account. Aisha was able to go back to the IRS and work with them to get that money refunded and put back in my account. So that was $16,000 that we could have been out of, that she was able to recoup and get back for us. So also during the process, the time was coming up for the tax. I'm sorry, where the IRS was no longer allowed to collect on the debt. She informed us as to what would happen, and as of April of this year, the tax debt was relief, so the IRS could no longer go and collect on it. So she reminded us, she sent us a notification that this was happening, and it did happen. So she was able to save us $149,000 that we were not going to have to pay to the IRS, which was a big relief. And it was like a peaceful thing that you could then sleep at night not worrying if they were going to garnish your account or come after you again, which was awesome. I highly recommend Hayes Tax Relief Services if you have an IRS debt, any kind of tax resolution that you need. Aisha's the person you should contact, and she will work with you to get it resolved. Highly recommended. Very satisfied with her services.